Sisi ano ebisa for yesi asem penipa enso nipa ene pene ho asem penifo kran so aka se nipa ti ahojo a ompe gisam ne kom ana okoho ana ne ho ahyehye na waye fine no aba betina ahojo bio esem we ya mebeken eye kwame bafo ho asem chairman for no ahafo Abronye DC ebisa for we want no say enrada okopi mu ewo Accra Circuit Court 9 ana chise ye kwhye nimu se eye judge a wotina kunyam ebema ne bill enso amba ne sa eye judge say there be insem a otete no emodu enti ontimi makwa me bafo bill enti still na eye kwa me bafo Abronye DC eda so wo a police for akachi a chise ya reprimand no a enya asem ketwa when I'm so his excellency former president for the Republic of Ghana Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo the lawyers from penny for akwa kopemu e wo court asebi ebisha for eye banta kesha ekoso e wo court sisia no enya asem ketwa ni nyina ene se omoso omokwa kope bill ama Kwame Bafo Abronye DC esase de okomu no anase de ofemu no enya asem ketwa enti kame hwan ni nkotie anase yenkohwe if the lawyers for former president Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebeso CD ni etimi ama Kwame Bafo e bill la no abafia and audio ni and a betre enti no me person myself brand come muni go team rastia meda.
As you all know, I come from the Bono region, so essentially he's my chairman, the chairman of the region that I hail from. And I think that I very much deplore the manner in which the whole criminal system has been manipulated to attack political opponents of this administration. That is what, for me, is very reprehensible. And I looked at the whole process, and I gathered that his lawyers were actually denied access to him after court. So quite seriously, since Tuesday, his lawyers have not been able to have access to him. So yesterday I requested to meet him, and graciously the PCID brought him here today to meet me. I think that I must express gratitude to the police authorities for doing that. But indeed, the most important point is that they had earlier on denied access to his lawyers and all. So, Abronye, I did not intend to take over the matter, as has been widely reported and all that. But I think I just came to show solidarity with him and to ensure that all processes are going on and all that. But I must, once again, express the strongest reservations about the manner in which this administration is manipulating and utilizing the criminal justice system to intimidate and harass political opponents. That clearly is the lowest we can get to as a nation. It is very much inconsistent with the democratic tenets of the nation and all. We have seen it many times, yes, and it is a stark contrast to the era we just preceded in this administration. I was Attorney General. I'm sure definitely one Attorney General who has been vilified unjustifiably, as we all know, a lot of lies on truth told about me, and never utilized the criminal system to attack or even to arrest any opponent at all. So I don't know what is going on. I just clearly I shudder to think of the human rights record of this administration. Already we have seen quite a lot, grave abuses of human rights, pre-trial processes which are abused, and unlawful arrest. So it is actually operating this way. Whenever they think you are saying something that they consider to be unsavory or that they consider to be offensive to themselves, then they quickly arrest you. And after the arrest, they band you before court on some trumped up charge and all that. And definitely don't see, they definitely don't see the conclusion of the matter. So the manner in which pre-trial processes are being abused and utilized to attack, intimidate, and harass political opponents of this administration, we've never seen any of this kind before. It's unprecedented, and that is very deplorable. And I'm surprised that you, the media, also look on unconcerned while all these things go on. All right, so that's from here, and I hope that this is. And while they do that, all the.
So yeah, that is exactly what a Godfrey Dame in someone the two jail patches. All of these political persecution yeah against Abronye, no, there are lots of questions and there are a lot of things people are asking a lot of questions. He believes that at the end of the day, they'll follow the due process, and what has to be done will be done. So what will be done, whatever will be done, will be done. So that is it. I just said, me no can say, the issue about Abronye, still now he's in police custody. So let's give you a few updates about Abronye's case currently. We are not just a young court a year. The latest in terms of other issues are air course, because at the end of the day, there are a lot of things are air course. So at the end of the day, we need to look at all of these issues are air course. So at the end of the day, what is really happening with Abronye? What is the update happening with Abronye? And then Abronye could pay more courts. What we learned was that the court also refused him bail again. Now, according to the courts, the entire they refused him bail was that they still needed time to actually do investigation. And then now watch that is and then now watch talking about today's week. That is the 19th of September 2025, and Abronye again is scheduled to appear in court. So still, Abronye will be in court from now till next week Friday. I'm for believe by next week Friday, all the necessary investigations are air course in regards with the prosecutors, whatever they are doing, or perhaps at the end of the day, they'll be able to finish with the whole prosecution. They'll be able to get all their facts and make sure that in terms of the whole investigative process, what should be done, and as the charges here, Abronye, and at the end of the day, I think by next week Friday, they hopefully, at the end of the day, they can get all the necessary details at air course. So that is in regards with Abronye. I mean, the issue at air course is here. Simple. People are asking, say, the born day according to the Ghana police, it's so simple. The born is Abronye's actions, and I need maybe in the past, it has caused fear and panic, and also it is disturbing the public peace. So that is exactly what is really going on. I just say clearly, there are a whole lot of people who are reacting to this, and today, especially, one of the things that we can see is that the Ghana police is actually on heels to make sure at the end of the day, say justice and now whatever they'll be able to get it. So that is the issue at course currently. We are looking at this definitely with something serious, and as with an eagle eye, I will be giving you more updates on this issue. Party, the party members go no pay me who come who abroad me who afenyo markets me who chairman Buga me who ko be brave MPP chairman a lot nana B ko be brave they went to show solidarity and also affirm Abronye the party is solidly behind it. Now, not to also talk about the massive MPP party faithfuls in Burma who stormed there to say that they are with Abronye through thick and thin. But then the big question is in some way who is the lawyer? And then what is Akufo-Addo's deal in all of this? A whole information about to just see say Akufo-Addo's deal in all of this is so simple. The former Attorney General, who happens to be Godfrey Dame, the former Attorney General's name, who happened to be Godfrey Dame, that former Attorney General, who served under Akufo-Addo, who among for we all knew Godfrey Dame is related to Akufo-Addo personally, or known as or yet the lead counsel and the lawyer O.D. Ejinemu Ama Abronye. Now the funny thing is he stormed there. Ebra or storming the premises, he also had certain things to say. Say, Oni Abronye kasa they are doing everything possible to actually get him out of bail. Akufo-Addo have been made aware of this matter. So clearly, you could see that the New Patriotic Party, the party faithfuls, the leadership of the party, whatever that they are doing, and as whatever is going on, they want to send a message out there that they are definitely with Abronye. In question, this particular video involved,
earlier on, we saw that Abronye was brought here. He's due to reappear in court tomorrow, but basically, what was your mission here today?
Well, I think just to see him solidarize with him. As you all know, I come from the Bono region, so essentially he's my chairman, the chairman of the region that I hail from and all that. And I think that I very much deplore the manner in which the whole criminal system has been manipulated to attack political opponents of this administration. That is what